This is the Weather Xtreme video for Friday morning, the 5th of February. I'm James Spann. The weather cool and dry for the weekend. A pretty good cold shot next week, but it's not going to last especially long. What about the chance of snowflakes with that? Let's go in there and see what we got this morning. A trough axis east of the state that pulled down the colder air we are feeling this morning. Mostly upper 20s and low 30s, although Haleyville has dropped down to 25. Tuscaloosa 29, Birmingham and Gadsden 30. We'll expect a high today around 50, much like yesterday with a bright sunny sky. Around the nation, say it's rather seasonal. We note very cold air building up into Canada, and that's going to be pulled southward early next week. On the watch warning map, winter weather advisories from the coast of Delaware to the coast of Maine. Looks like a couple of spots with winter storm warnings up in New England. And high wind warnings in effect for parts of Montana and the Dakotas today. This is the precipitation for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning. And again, for us, you see that light green. That's just a trace, and that would probably be in the form of sprinkles or snow flurries as the cold air comes in next week, as you'll see. Let's take a look. This is the GFS, the 06E run, valid today at noon. Troughing to the west, also troughing up in Canada. That will be phasing up early next week. But for us, a nice sunny, cool day today. And again, the high will be around 50 in most spots. North of Birmingham, highs in the 40s like yesterday. Tomorrow, we start the day in the 20s. The high will be in the low 50s in most spots. And on Sunday, mid to upper 50s with a good supply of sunshine. That'll feel pretty good. But next week, this is Monday, here comes our surge of colder air. And again, as the colder air begins to arrive, clouds will increase, winds pick up, and there could be a touch of light rain Monday afternoon and maybe a few snow flurries Monday night. And again, traditionally with clipper-type systems like that, there's no accumulation, no impact. Everything is light. Tuesday, there's your cold look with the western ridge, eastern trough. Looks like this will be the coldest day. We stay in the 30s for the most part. And it's going to be kind of windy and cloudy and cold. And again, a chance of flurries. But they would not amount to anything. No impact. This is Wednesday. And the good news that really the GFS has backed off on the degree of cold air that gets in here. And understand, it's going to be very cold on Tuesday. We stay in the 30s all day. And we'll be well down in the 20s Wednesday morning. But the idea of teens, that's off the board now. In fact, if this is right, Wednesday we'll start to warm up. And we could be well up in the 40s. Maybe pushing 50. And, a few days ago, it looked like we could be below freezing all day Wednesday. So, really, this is going to be more of a one-day shot of cold air on Tuesday into Wednesday morning. There's a look at the anomalies, and you can see they certainly don't look as bad as they did, 3 or 4 days ago. And that's a good thing, unless you like frigid weather. Thursday, highs up in the 50s, and a week from today, this is Friday, the 12th, ridging off to the west, and again, a dry air mass. And we could see 60s in here by the end of next week. That's why we're saying this is not going to be a long-lasting cold snap. This is the end of the forecast period, Valentine's Day, Sunday the 14th. Little troughing north and west of here. This is suggesting maybe a little snow for Missouri and northern Arkansas, but for us, we would be cool and dry if this verifies. Arctic oscillation goes negative, then it goes back toward the neutral line. Same thing for the NAO. And again, look at the numbers here. You can see that cold day Tuesday of next week with the 30s all day, but then we warm up and we're back in the 50s by the end of next week. And beyond that, no sign of any brutally cold air through the 20th of the month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.